Good morning, everyone. Now, we are implementing reading assistance. Boys at the back, pakibasa na yung nasa module nyo sa page 14.
This learning module is prepared so
Siguro naman nakita niyo kung paano magbasa yung iba nating kasama dito, no? Meron ba kayong ibang suggestion para matulungan natin sila sa pagbabasa?
What if i-home visit natin sila para tulungan magbasa?
Pwede, pero kita ba paano mag-isip? Gawin mo dito, sir. Sige, ano na lang, sa Sabado natin sila ito.
Reading assistance is like having a friend who makes reading easier. It's like having tools that help you understand what you read better. Think of programs that read words out loud, dictionaries that pop up when you see a word you don't know, games that make learning fun, breaking down big chunks of text into smaller pieces, and writing down the important stuff you read. Reading help is like having a bunch of cool tools and tricks to make reading easier and more fun. It's like having a secret weapon to help you understand what you read. Reading help has been around for ages, like a friend who's always there to lend a hand. Way back when, teachers helped kids learn to read one-on-one.
Po, Jen, pupunta daw sila sir para mag-visit sa atin para sa reading assistant.
busy. Pasok.
Opo.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Handa ba kayong magbasa?
Sige pa, sir. Pasok.
Our goal is to greatly improve the reading comprehension abilities of students in grade 12 at Mapaya National High School. We think that creating a nurturing and cooperative learning atmosphere will enable those students to develop into skilled and self-assured readers.
Ikaw magbasa na.
Malaking impluwensya ang pamilya sa karaniwang gawain na ginagawa sa mga libreng oras.
Ayos na, nagkakaroon ka na rin ng pagbabago. Ikaw naman nga. People take words in their language because they need those words. People often need new words to name ideas and things they have just learned about.
Yan, marunong ka na.
Salamat po sir.
We are implementing reading assistance on grade 12 students.